Hello and welcome back to another episode of Measurement in a Minute. I'm your host, Justin Kozak with Lakeside Process Controls. Today's video, we're continuing our discussion around rosemount and micromotion flow meter technologies. The last few videos, we started talking through some of the basics that we need to understand in order to talk through these technologies. In particular, we talked about the impact of temperature on our volumetric flow rate measurements. Today we're going to talk through the impact of pressure. And the impact of pressure can be classified through what we call the coefficient of compressibility. And this basically says that as we apply pressure towards our fluid, we are generally going to see those molecules come closer together. Now, generally for liquids, I should say, most are classified to be incompressible, meaning that no matter how much pressure you apply to them, they're still going to occupy the same amount of volume. Gases, on the other hand, the opposite is true. Compressibility plays a very, very big important role, especially when we're talking through volumetric flow rate measurements. The example I give here is, let's say you have a bottle of water, it's full of water. You can squeeze it around, try to twist it, try to compress it. You can deform the shape of the water bottle, but you're not going to actually compress that liquid any further. Versus if it was full of air, you can certainly squeeze that tight, compress it. I think back to my high school days, you would twist them, build up a ton of pressure, and then you'd shoot off those bottle caps. And that is the effect of compressibility on a gas. Bringing it back to volumetric flow rates and flow meters, we take this into account through what we call the compressibility factor. And I'm not going to bore you with all the math and go through this whole chart here, but in essence, this is a dimensionless number which allows us to compensate for the effects of changing pressures and changing compressibilities through volumetric flow rate measurements. Should you have any questions about flow meter technologies or any other of our products, please reach out to us at www.lakesidecontrols.com. Thanks and have a great day.